you for joining Mosaic Chats. और आज मेरे पास एक खुशखबरी है, मेरे घर में खुशखबरी है, वो नहीं जो तुम लोग समझ रहे हो. We've just got 2 kittens because you know, yes, finally, and everybody who knows me, exactly. अब सब सदफ रह गई है.
सदफ रह गई है.
But yeah, you yourself as a cat. तो यार वो तो मतलब you know that I never liked cats. I know. But finally, because everybody around me has cats or they are cat lovers, तो but वो actually हुआ ये था कि मेरे घर में एक चूहा आ गया था. So I think it was more of the चूहा hatred than the cat's love.
तो तुमने preemptive strike की.
Yeah, because वो exterminators आए और सब कुछ हुआ, but I don't want to take that risk again.
Right.
And my kids always wanted a cat. So I said कि ठीक है. But you know, और luckily मुझे थोड़ा बहुत तुम लोगों से पता भी है कि क्या कैसे ख्याल रखना है. और but so far I'm liking it. अभी तो बहुत छोटे हैं because I have a bird.
How many months?
So they're 4 months.
Okay.
Both of them?
Both of them.
Okay.
And they're siblings.
Okay, siblings.
Because now there's a rule here, जो कि बहुत सारे लोगों के लिए you need
New
to know.
information.
Yeah,
I
because
didn't know that.
if you go to a proper shop, a pet shop, which was PetSmart where I got them from, so if you're getting a kitten, they don't give you kittens. You have to either have, if you have another cat, then you can get a kitten.
Okay.
Or because they don't want them to be alone, or you know, they said it's faster for them to learn and to get used to
If they
the
have a
surrounding.
companion?
If they are companion,
Okay.
yeah. तो फिर and because we have a bird, तो हम बड़ा cat नहीं ले सकते थे because वो तो उसको खा ही जाए, right? तो मतलब हमें पूरी जिंदगी मुझे लगता है सबको अकोमोडेट करना है, पहले बच्चे, फैमिलीज और फिर अब पेट्स को भी देख के सब कुछ करना है. हाँ. How old is your cat?
He just turned 2.
Mine turned 1. Mine just turned 1 this month.
But yours are related.
But they're also related.
Her cat is my cat's son.
Son.
Yeah.
But you know, my cat, I never understood pet love. मुझे कभी समझ मैं हर एक का पहले मजाक उड़ाती थी किस किस्म का लव है. अब तो मेरा जैसे बच्चा है, लाइक मेरा 3rd child है मेरा. बस वो मेरा पूरे दिन मेरे साथ घूमता है, जहाँ मैं जाती हूँ मेरे साथ होता है, मैं उससे बातें करती हूँ. फिर मैं लाइक माई daughters, जब we were leaving the house, I said turn on the lights, turn on all the lights. She's like, Mom, cats have night vision. I'm like, no, वो डरेगा.
Turn on the lights.
Turn on the lights. Turn the lights.
And I'm so happy that my grand cat is with one of my closest friends.
तो आपकी रिश्तेदारी और
हमारी
पक्की हो
रिश्तेदारी,
गई.
हाँ, बहुत पक्की हो गई. बिल्कुल.
You know, मेरे बच्चों को भी बहुत शौक है पैट का, but I say to them, firstly, eventually मुझे लगता है, as I've heard from many people, you both can share this with me, कि eventually ये सब जो हैं बहुत excitement में, like your kids bring in like some sort of a pet, and then you have to take care of them.
Yeah.
But ये भी है कि I also admire in my kind of experience या मेरी उसके अंदर मैं उनसे ये कहती हूँ कि I don't have it in me to take care of any more living beings. मैंने अपने बच्चे बड़े
You've done your part.
I've done my part. So now when you move out, you can take care of a pet. But growing up, I had a pet at home. I had a dog, and it was a lovely experience.
Lovely experience, you know. But so that my girls have been really good. Like they have non-stop taken care of her. Like it's not just me. Because I'm home with him. तो मुझे ख्याल रखना होता है, लेकिन when they're home, they do take care of him. Like they do. They've been good at that. They've kept the
I've
promise.
heard that teaches them to be responsible. Also,
Yes.
a lot of people suggest that you should have a pet, anything from a bird to. But yeah, in a lot of cases, eventually it becomes a mother's pet because the बच्चे जो हैं वो
Most of the time, it becomes a mother's pet. For me, it was really exciting to have Zavi surprise the girls with
Your little son.
my younger one.
Younger one.
Because I think he was. It was a good lesson for him. It's like sharing. It's like giving away one of your most precious things, and it was his cat's kitten. तो जब मैं लेके गई, I was so happy. मैंने वीडियो भी बनाई है जब हम ड्रॉप करने गए थे उसको. And it was really nice to see that he was so happy to share the kitten.
It was a beautiful moment. It was honestly a beautiful moment.
He was so happy.
He was
to give him
so
away.
happy, and he was giving me tips, and he's like, "No, you have to do it like this, otherwise he was gonna get scared." And I was a tear. It was so sweet.
These are very emotional, lessons
Yes,
for
yes,
kids. तो कुछ कह रही थी सर?
नहीं मैं तो यही कह रही थी कि अब थोड़ा मुझे भी जरा वो है seriously
You're always there.
करना पड़ like what does it take, like is it there's a lot, they need a lot of care, yeah.
Yeah, to begin with, yes, But I think ये लोग इनका different experience है because I got it from the store. So a lot of vaccination और बाकी जो सारे procedures हैं that will be taken care by them. Because I said I'm not getting more stuff in my plate. कि मैं बच्चों की वैक्सीन और ये सब के बाद अब फिर मैं बिल्लियों को और उनको भी कभी एक को स्पा लेके जाओ तो कभी I said no. So this is a better thing. It will be a little bit expensive, but it's more, everything is very organized. They have their forms, they have everything written in that. Or फिर luckily one of my niece, she works for PetSmart too. So she actually, we took her and she guided us कि ये अभी ज़रूरत है और इसकी, you know, don't get overexcited and you know how you get overwhelmed and you're like ये भी ले लो. So ये है.
Nice.
But welcome to the cat mama world.
I know.
But you'll love it. You're really gonna like it.
We're all
You're
gonna be
really
cat
gonna
mamas.
But that's the first time I pet them because I'm more of a dog person. But again, यहाँ pet रखना is totally different. Like I used to have pets also in Pakistan.
Yeah.
But आपने उनके ना पीछे उनके वो पाउच लेके उनको वॉक के लिए जब आप लेके जा रहे थे, you know what I am talking
Yes,
about,
yes,
right?
yes. It's
ना
a
आपको
different-
वो
it's a
करना
different
पड़ता है
thing,
ना
yeah.
आपको उनकी सफाई वो, but यहाँ actually you learn that because you're doing everything yourself,
Yes.
right? So it means a lot here, I think.
Yeah. It's very easy back home. You have the support, you have the infrastructure, the weather is great. And then it's not as much of, not a burden, but it's not as much of a responsibility of one person because there's entire community or staff
Taking care.
Yeah,
taking
exactly.
care of them.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But cats tend to be they're not as they're not a lot of hard work. I find they're very
No, they're not.
they're very self-managed and they're very clean. So and they don't need a lot of attention. They're very
And I think it's only when they need something
They'll
that
come to you.
they'll come to you. Otherwise, they're very
They're just on their own,
independent. They're very, you know, they like their space. Yeah, they don't really.
you're
they
gonna
don't-
have fun.
Yeah, you're gonna like them.
अभी थोड़ी देर पहले जावे की बात हो रही थी तो ये बताओ how is he feeling now?
He's much better now, but you guys know how much I struggled with.
Oh
this
my
time,
God, you've
this
had a
last
past.
week. I've had a really rough week with him, and one of the things I noticed was this, and we talked about it often, the healthcare system.
Yes.
Oh yeah. Tell me about it.
जो अभी आजकल जो ER की situation है, I think अगर मैं total लगाऊं तो I spent over 3 days, I spent 24 hours in the hospitals.
Oh my God.
Between local and between sick kids.
Wow.
24 hours हमने लगाए उस 24 hours में से डॉक्टर्स को हमने कितने मिनट देखा होगा कुल मिला के 15-20 minutes. So you can imagine the wait time, the
It's just hanging
बच्चे
in
का you're just hanging in a balance. And टेस्टों के लिए वेट करो, अल्ट्रासाउंड के लिए वेट करो. Then finally we took him to sick kids. और था कुछ भी नहीं, it was a viral. We thought it was appendicitis.
Yeah, I remember because we were all worried कि surgery
क्योंकि
होगी.
मुझे हुआ था when I was similar at the
So when he
similar
was in the waiting room, was he still in pain?
He was, but because he's a very patient child,
Right.
so I feel like
Mashallah.
yeah, he's very Sabrine type child. So मुझे तकलीफ नहीं हुई इतनी, लेकिन he was in pain on and off,
Okay.
on and off.
Okay.
But it wasn't excruciating pain.
Pain. Okay.
देखो सबसे ज़्यादा परेशानी की बात है कि you don't know.
Exactly.
You know how to prepare, what to prepare, and
yes.
commute from here to there or वो, and then it's little चलो हम बड़े हों तो आप कर लेते हैं. But it's a little boy, right? और वो
मुझे इसमें ये भी है कि हेल्थ केयर के बारे में I have heard like so many conversations and even through my own personal experience. I feel like there is a huge issue with regards to कि doctors नहीं है enough. There are more people who need family doctors. Like even in my household, there are like 5 individuals who are looking for a family doctor. Every 6 months we are calling different clinics. Like I have my own family doctor being called. I mean, like I have 3 more family members and 2 from another extended family. They are all looking for a family doctor. Do you have any? No, we are not accepting any new patients.
And this is in Toronto.
This is in
This
Toronto.
is in the city.
But do you think is it because that there are not a lot of people who like there are not a lot of doctors available, or there is a lot of people because lately बहुत ज़्यादा immigrants आ गए हैं और you know all that. So because एक और चीज़ है जैसे अब there was a conversation that they were planning to do it to privatize the medical system,
medical
right?
system, yes.
So that was one of the biggest attraction for people to come here. तो मैं बहुत लोगों से सुन रही थी, उन्होंने कहा you know फिर क्या फ़ायदा है कि if it's just like
Mariam, look at
than
look at the
any other
medical
country now.
system, right? Like we're literally, it's collapsing.
Yeah.
Like I suffered from insomnia for a very long time. So a doctor gave me sort of a test to do, and that was in February. My turn came in June, and
Imagine.
and I had to take other medical, like sort of other avenues to try and figure out how do I go about this. And I was okay by June. I was kind of better, and I found no purpose of me going in June for something that I was struggling in February.
Exactly. Yeah.
You know
that's
what I'm
another
trying to
thing.
say? So it was just no point. It was honestly no point. We're literally at a brink of collapse, and it's so saturated and it's so tight that they won't let any new sort of, even immigrants that are as doctors, their medical background is not even accepted
Oh my
here.
God.
They
Yeah,
have
and
to
it's a
start
huge
all over
procedure.
from scratch.
Yeah.
So, you know, when you're so strict about something, then obviously more demand, less supply. That's exactly what's going to happen, what's happening right now.
And it's so unfortunate that there are so many qualified people who actually would be great and can integrate into our society and you know, give back to our society, but
They're unable to.
yeah, they are, because they would just made the system so difficult that they would rather prefer to go to US or England than to come to Canada.
No, or they go to different weird fields, right?
Yes, they do.
Because whereas we could have, benefited by them big time, और वो बेचारे qualified हैं, they are, and then या तो कोई थोड़ा आसान procedure रखते हैं, what I think. I mean, I'm nobody to say anything.
Yeah.
But the thing is कि वो बेचारे they end up going into different professions.
They do, yeah.
Or and that's a sad thing that there are people who are qualified or who are able to do it, but you know we're still suffering. आपकी appointment 2 साल बाद मिलती है तो वो तो एक चीज जो है वो आपके और इतने problems अब तक आ जाते हैं.
उससे पहले ये होता है कि so many people, what they do is they book a flight, they go back home, wherever home is. It's much cheaper. They pay private fee,
and they get the services on
service.
time.
They get like, you know, किसी को डेंट अपने दांत सही कराने हैं, like किसी को कुछ कराना है. There's so many people I know who usually are doing this.
I'll tell you a funny story. I know it's because I have somebody, distant relative in my family. He flew from here to South Africa, got his dental work done.
Yes.
So imagine his tickets, the gifts he took for the family member, the treatment he got, and he came back spending less money
Than what we're
that
gonna
we
spend
would
here.
have gotten here.
So I'm just going to piggyback on what Mariam was saying. I remember when Ali, my older one, got very sick in America, and we had to wait in the waiting room. And in 15 minutes, the doctor came in. He's like, "Oh, I am so sorry you had to wait." And we looked at each other, we're like, "Wait, this was no wait because you're paying there." There was such a drastic difference in the service, right? Because you're paying, so they're going to give you totally different service. Whereas here, it's free. So you know,
Because it's
just
private
more- It's
there, right?
private
So,
there, exactly, exactly.
But even here, we are paying with
We're still
with our tax.
paying.
We're still
I mean, So
paying.
many
True.
We pay a lot of taxes.
Yes, like,
right? So it's
absolutely.
not necessarily that we're getting it for free, but I think the fact that we consider it free, the urgency of the matter is always overlooked.
Absolutely.
They overlook it all unless you're bleeding on the floor or screaming in pain. अब मजाक में हम कहते हैं कि जब ER जाओगे तो ज्यादा शोर मचाना ताकि ये हमारी पेट लाइन नहीं होती
And
है,
dramatize करना कि
कि
कुछ
तुम्हें पेन
ज्यादा
ज्यादा
हो
हो रहा
रहा
है
है.
ताकि वो तुम्हें जल्दी देखे.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
And it's not right, but sometimes that's what you
You have to do. That's what you have to do.
You have to fake it till you make
जैसे
it.
उस दिन छोटे वाले को बार-बार मैं बोल रही थी तुम चिल कर रहे हो, can you look a little bit scared? हाँ, मैं इसको कह रहा है मुझे देख रहा है, मैं कह रही हूँ थोड़ा सा बीमार तो लगो तुम. So yeah, it was funny. Speaking of them, I have to pick them up. right
Okay,
Oh, yeah.
okay, you go.
now. So I will be leaving.
Okay.
And I'll catch you guys in the next session.
Yeah.
Okay, yes, absolutely.
Drive safe,
Bye.
okay?
Drive safe.
Drive safe.
Bye.
Bye.
सनम अभी गई, मैं सोच रही थी यार हॉस्पिटल जाना और ये सब कुछ एक और है, लेकिन imagine the trips, pick and drop और
Pick and-
जाना,
yes.
gas prices are over the
Over the roof.
Yeah.
and वो एक additional खर्चा है.
Like from last week to this week, it's gone up 12 cents.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
I didn't even realize because मैंने तो अपनी गाड़ी ले ली इलेक्ट्रिक वाली, not Tesla, because I don't think I can handle that much of AI.
Technology.
No, but this is but it's good. और वो ये कि अब गैस नहीं भरानी पड़ती, रात को I just put it on the charger, so it's easy. लेकिन having said that, the problem is कि long trips is a problem. You have to look for a station,
So how
charger.
what's the
Battery life.
Battery life.
Yeah, it's key. I don't know exactly mileage wise,
Right.
but I think it's like 3-4. So I'm a wrong person to say. But I'm Boston. If you're going towards Boston, so it's like
How many times did you have to stop?
2 times.
2 times. Okay. I remember.
But for the fast chargers, not regular
Day
chargers.
before yesterday, a friend of mine came and she also has an electric car, and it was such like when she turned the car on. When she turned the car on, it was like a spaceship going up to space. So the voice,
That's right.
It sounds like it's going up to space.
And it can be dangerous. You know why? Because iski awaaz nahi hoti. So if the kids are playing or somebody is there outside,
Right.
they can tell that the car is coming.
Oh,
Or so wo isliye bhi you have to be very careful because it's soundless.
it sounds like there's no sound.
yeah.
There's no
Oh,
sound.
wow.
Yeah.
I would like to sit in your car and like
Bus,
experience
chalo.
that as well.
Yeah, let's do that.
और वो ये भी है कि जैसे तुम गैस prices are going high, even cost of living is increasing. लोगों की salaries नहीं बढ़ रही, like they're not getting the bonus that they
Bonuses भी वो नहीं है.
इस साल तो बहुत ही like especially in
I think post-COVID, say it's just been taking a steep decline. So and the amount of like I think after post-COVID, inflation has gone skyrocketed, and I think in every avenue, from just day-to-day living to housing market to everything, and we're all feeling the brunt of it. We're
Yeah,
all
yeah,
feeling the
everybody.
brunt. Everybody, from any class structure in society, everybody's feeling the brunt of post-COVID. Really bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean Canada को रहा ही नहीं है.
I think वैसे तो हर जगह it affected,
Yes.
but because you remember कि सब हमें बोल रहे थे black sheep, because Canada was observing the rules and restrictions. We were very strict. किसी को आने नहीं दे रहे. उस वजह से मुझे लगता है comparatively businesses got affected more
Of course.
in Canada as compared to the other places, right?
is exactly. And then I also उसके साथ हुआ ये भी कि people were managing their own day-to-day job और क्योंकि उनके पास इतना time था, like commute time short हो गया, everyone is working from home.
Right.
तो also people started discovering like passive income कि क्या तरीके हो सकते हैं,
right, right.
तो यही हो रहा है कि इतने सारे लोग हैं जिनसे मैं मिली हूँ and everyone is trying to do कि okay we have our day-to-day like 9 to 5 job,
Right.
but उसके बाद what should we do with our times because they need to make the ends meet, right? कि उनकी जिंदगी
Affordability भी तो
करनी चाहिए ना, बिकॉज वो एक बात है ना कि तुमने जैसे बोला एक्सपेंसेस बढ़ रहे हैं और पैसे वहीं के वहीं रुके हुए हैं जो पिछले 5 साल से हैं वैसे के वैसे और expenses are skyrocketing.
Yeah.
So everybody's looking for a side hustle. Even myself, like my husband's working full time. I am too.
Yeah.
But I think मैं कोई midlife crisis से नहीं गुजर रही थी. मुझे ख्याल आया कि बुढ़ापा बड़ा जल्दी आ रहा है. तो अगर आपने कुछ करना है लाइफ में तो आप कर रहे हैं.
तुम तो you shouldn't be saying that.
I'm telling you. So मैंने for myself, I'm just going to speak for myself that I've been a gym rat for like the last 25 years or something. So then I realized that I love it here so much. I should do something. So last year I just got the courage and I went for Pilates certification and I started teaching Pilates.
Good for you.
Yeah. So I substitute for Pilates right now. And I have a background in nutrition, and I just help people with who are struggling with their body, with their weight loss, and so on and so forth. And that's been my side hustle. So and I just thought if I'm gonna have a side hustle, I have to love it.
Yeah.
Oh yes.
I have to
very
love
important.
it. I have to love it. I cannot just do something because I'm away from my family, away from my home. I'll have to love something to actually give it time.
Yeah.
Because you're exhausted anyway. वो तो हम
Exactly. If you have to actually use your energy उसको और ज़्यादा अगर करना है तो it has to be at least one thing that you enjoy.
Enjoy,
You
exactly.
actually, yeah, it's like catharsis, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's like what we are doing right now.
What we have started.
Yes. But we've started
ये
right
नहीं
now.
कि अभी कोई ये है कि एटलीस्ट ट्राई समथिंग न्यू राइट कि कुछ कोशिश कर रहे हैं ओके लेट्स जस्ट गिव इट अ ट्राई लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोज तो ये है लाइक लिटिल बेबी स्टेप्स एवरीवन इज टेकिंग टू सी कि कौन क्या कर सकता है लाइक
हरकत में बरकत.
या
Keep striving. Keep striving. You're gonna hit gold somewhere.
yeah. So we are just not standing still. We are trying to move as the world is moving and trying to experiment and try new things in life, basically.
मैं अभी किसी का सुन रही थी, I don't remember कि कौन था, but it was probably on Insta. They said कि एक सर्वे हुआ है US में, all those people were 80 plus.
Right.
And they said कि उन्होंने पूछा कि any regrets in your life.
Yeah.
So the survey said that most of the people, 90% people, said that they don't have any regrets for the stuff that they have done. The only regrets they have are the stuff that they never tried. So you see, that is very important कि हम जब तक even हमारे इसके साथ हम कब से अच्छा अब करते हैं
अब करते हैं, हाँ,
but you know we just said ठीक है अभी background slowly we are having this is our growth period.
Yeah, of course.
हमारी every day people ask अच्छा background फिर change होगी background because we are trying we're learning and we're doing it in a very raw way.
Right, true.
Right, and we want to learn and grow with that process. कि अच्छा ठीक है आज एक painting है आज दो अच्छा आज ये change कर लेते हैं. But the point is that we have started it, which I'm very, very proud.
Yes,
कि, you know,
we've taken that step.
started.
I think the hardest part is to actually take that step.
Exactly.
That first step is the hardest.
And also with as we have matured a little bit more, we also know that we have to be you have to be less critical of yourself, because the fact that we are trying should be the most important part, and also the fact that we are trying and enjoying the process is what I value the most.
And I hope our viewers are also enjoying with that.
I hope so too. Exactly. You know, because this is something very natural that we are, which is actually in every household. All the girls that we meet, not in our group, but extended friends or family, they all have same topics that they discuss and things that they're going through that we are going through.
Yes.
Right? So,
Having said that,
having said that, with this, our episode for today finishes too, or I hope you guys enjoyed it. Sadaf, over to you.
Please do like, subscribe, and comment on our channel. Be kind to yourself and to others. Until next time.
Bye.